What's up guys, it's Corey from Gentleman Within, and in this video, let's talk Watch Gang. Oh no, not another subscription box service, but yes, we got another subscription box service, and this one is for Watch Gang, which is a men's watch subscription service. And so how it works is very simple. What they do is every month they will send you a new watch pretty much. Before you choose which membership is for you, you choose from 3 different tiers. You can start with the original, which is stylish and fashionable. They're $29 a month and you get watches worth $50 to $150. And then next up you got their black tier, which is $99 a month, and you get watches worth $150 to $500. And then finally they got a platinum tier, which is $299 a month, and you get watches worth $500 to $1,500. And then I believe they also have some other tiers which are even higher that you get watches worth a lot more, but they don't even really advertise too much just because it's for guys who I guess are very particular about their watches, and I guess are just for people who are really into horology. Oh, but before you choose from the tiers, what you do is they allow you to select from over a dozen types of styles of watches. And so when you pick, you get to pick 3 different styles, and this will help kind of dictate to them what you like. And so the pieces that you get each month are going to mirror that type of aesthetic, I suppose. Another super cool thing that Watch Gang does is that every week on Tuesdays they give away a tag watch, and every Friday they give away a Rolex. Yes, a Rolex. And so on YouTube you got people doing unboxing videos of them receiving their Rolex, and so I would think that's quite an amazing surprise to get in the mail. But yeah, Watch Gang, they sent me this watch to unbox, and I wanted to make this video to introduce this service to you guys. You know, I didn't really know about Watch Gang either, but I have seen a lot of videos from a lot of my colleagues on YouTube have been creating, you know, Watch Gang unboxings, and then I did a little research and seen that their Watch Gang is huge, and there's people doing unboxings for them all the time. And so here, another unboxing. And what do we got here? It's the Fortuna chronometry. All right, I probably butchered that, but hey, I'm not a watch guy. So let's box this John. Little booklet with lots of information here on the watch. Cool, cool. Watch Gang. All right, so this was for March, and I got the black box, which is the $99 a month. You get watches from $150 to $500 a month. Cool. All right, box within a box. All right, pretty sweet packaging. That's cool. I'm liking this packaging. Fortuna chronometry, handcrafted by, I don't know, but made in Germany. So it's a German watch. Very cool. Never owned a German watch before. So it's a nice solid piece, and I like the black leather strap here with the white stitching. It's a nice clean minimalist face, which is kind of what I was going for. The dial is a little big for my taste. It's definitely like 42 inches, or it's definitely like a 44 millimeter at least, but it's got some nice detail there. But it's nice, simple, clean piece. Let's try it on. All right, so the watch is a little big and having a little difficulty putting it on actually. All right, so I've adjusted it to the smallest size, and it's still really big on my wrist. Look at that extra space I have there. And to me, the dial is just too big on my wrist. Although it is a very nice looking piece, gotta admit. It's got a nice domed glass here. It's probably like a sapphire, but it's got the dome there. But yeah, I do like the black dial and the black leather. It's a nice departure from all the watches that I own. I don't really own any black watches. All right, so while I do like the look and feel of this watch, and it feels really solid, it feels like a nice quality piece, but it just doesn't fit. It's too big. And so look at that, there's a lot of room in here. I can like fit my finger in there, and this is on the smallest size, adjusted to the smallest size, but it's just too big. The dial is a little bit too big for my taste, but I do like the look of it, the minimalist nature, and just the details, and then the nice supple black leather, but it just doesn't fit. And so, I don't know, might have to do like a giveaway or something, or gift it to somebody. Overall, it's a pretty good experience with Watch Gang, even though it doesn't fit me, but it does feel like a nice quality watch. And so yeah, let's talk subscription box services. So I've done a lot of unboxings of subscription boxes in the past. I worked with Gentleman's Box for like a year, and I did unboxings for them for like a full year on my blog and on the YouTube channel. And it was great. I loved getting new accessories every month, and just, you know, you get to experiment with things you never would have tried before, because they always throw in like funky colored socks and like different types of tie bars and lapel pins and things like that. So that's fun. It's fun to get that type of stuff in the mail. But after a while, it just becomes a little bit too much. And so that's why I feel like subscription boxes are something that you kind of graduate into and then you graduate out of. And so you get whatever value you get out of it and then you kind of move on. And so I feel like subscription box services are great for guys who just want to start experimenting with their style or try new pieces and try things that they never would have tried before. And so as it pertains to Watch Gang, if you are into watches or you want to get into watches and you just want to try new pieces out, then Watch Gang is definitely a service worth looking into. But yep, Fortuna, made in Germany. Nice piece from the Watch Gang collection for the month of March. This was from their black tier, all stainless steel, 5 ATM. Yep, it's a sapphire crystal. But yes, thank you Watch Gang for sending this over to me. And yep, that concludes my unboxing. All right, thank you for watching, guys. If you like that video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Put out new videos like this once a week. So yeah, that's all I got. Cheers to your style, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.